People all over America are wanting to read and study the Constitution. They want to know what the principles are that made our nation great. For the 225th anniversary of our Constitution, we have gone back to Independence Hall, where the Constitution was framed and signed, and created a program for you called Constitution Alive, the Citizen's Guide to America's Founding Documents.
This course will be led by my friend and colleague, Rick Green. Rick is an attorney and former state legislator who for years has worked with me at Wall Builders as a speaker, writer, and teacher on the Constitution and the Founding Fathers.
This is our goal to accomplish what John Jay told us. He said that every member of the state ought diligently to read and to study. So not just read the Constitution, but to study the Constitution. Why? He tells us, so that we can teach the rising generation to be free. So we can pass the torch intact to the next generation. And then he tells us so that we'll know our rights, we'll sooner perceive when they've been violated, and we'll be the better prepared to defend and assert them. That's our goal.
The classroom presentation that you're about to join is an opportunity for you to regain the intimate working knowledge that every citizen and student once had of our Constitution.
We go through every article, every amendment. We get into the Founding Fathers. We talk about what they actually intended. We talk about what those words meant in 1787, not necessarily what they mean today, but what was the original intent. We cover subjects from whether or not a constitutional convention would be good, a new constitutional convention, whether or not state nullification of a federal law is the right way to go. We talk about D.C. statehood, impeachment, the Electoral College, executive orders, recess appointments, and czars, the First Amendment, freedom of religion, individual God-given rights versus group government-given rights, whether or not the Constitution is evolving, and the proper role of the courts and their accountability to the people. All of these topics covered right there at Independence Hall in the class that you can join via DVD.
As Rick walks you through the course, remember to identify your numerous constitutional rights.
You'll get your own copy of my caller's The Constitution Made Easy, a wonderful tool in studying the Constitution, as well as getting the fill-in-the-blank study guide that goes with the course so that it'll become a great reference tool for you to teach your family and friends about the Constitution. Let's do what Chief Justice John Jay suggested we should do. Let's read and study the Constitution.
Discover the most down-to-earth, common-sense explanation of our Constitution ever. If you are concerned, perplexed, or troubled by the direction of our country and the endless encroachment of our liberties, then this constitutional course is just for you. Not only will you get a deeper appreciation and understanding of the Constitution, but you will do so in a way that is easy to understand, easy to remember, quickly digested, and easy to apply. This exciting 11-week, 12-hour seminar will be on Monday nights at Cornerstone Baptist Church, beginning Monday, October 27th at 7 p.m. The cost of this course is $20, which will include a 224-page workbook. To register, you can go to the display tables after the service, or you can call the church at 385-9080. The register deadline is Wednesday, October 22nd.